guys.
Hold on, let me turn back the red actually.
Oh my god! Welcome back, guys, to another video.
Bro,
I haven't posted for a while, so
put
sorry.
your hands up.
Also, thank you guys for the
Put your
support.
hands up.
Hit 50 subs. Let's go.
Or else it's not gonna get cold.
I turned back to red.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my god! Let me record the intro.
A crossbow.
I'm gonna be building an
I don't have a
airship to
crossbow,
hold
but
all
I
of these
do have some
hooligans.
cooler.
So we can fight all the monsters.
Wait, can you buy me one?
Yeah, let's get into it.
Can you buy me one? Yo, thanks. I feel the power.
So guys, I'm gonna start building.
Let's go.
Building.
Wait, what about Bear Dude?
Bro, I'm
I
recording.
bet he'd find something.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So we always put 4 fans on the bottom. Y'all, where did y'all go? But oh my god. These fans will make it fly, obviously. Yeah. So now it goes up. Simple. But I'm gonna make it better. Wait, do I put it on the back? I think so. Or, actually,
Bro, can you come to the outer side?
hear me out.
Bro, the bear joined. He's coming.
What do you mean a bear joined? I'm recording!
I'm working.
So, they don't recognize me, even though I friended one of them. That sucks. But this is gonna be a cool airship. Cause yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm really happy that they added the winter update.
There's another.
Cause you know, goated animal company.
Yeah, there's a guy.
How many people are in this code?
Huh?
Okay, 2 others, so I can just grab 2 goop and add saddles to the sides.
I kind of want.
Yo, polar bear!
Yo, don't grab
What
anything.
is this?
I'm building an airship. Hold up.
Yo, polar bears don't need to put something. Oh,
Bro,
sorry.
put that back.
What? Oh my god! Are you,
Okay,
are you
hop
building
on
a
one of the saddles.
machine to kill
Grab
people?
the top of
Okay,
the saddle.
let me grab on. Yo, we're coming.
Bro,
Wait, can you open the present?
like after me.
Yo,
Guys.
yo, look what he builded.
I'm taking that light
What?
off.
What he built? Bro, look.
Grab weapons.
But we can't
I can use
go
that.
anywhere.
Grab weapons.
Bro, we can use
Okay.
this.
Wait.
Use it here on.
Take
Wait,
weapons.
here's a gun.
Let me
get on, let me
Can you
get
buy
on.
us goo? Can you buy us goo?
No.
Please.
Bro, I don't own goop.
Can
Yeah,
you buy me goo real quick?
Bro, I said
Please?
no.
Bro, we can use this against the
Okay.
war. Bro, we can use this against the war.
Okay, up
Let's go.
and away.
Okay, let's go. We're gonna have to turn off the power.
Yeah,
Just
this
get
is
in there.
always the hardest part.
Wait, he turned. Wait,
Fire.
bro, this is the. Oh my God, we're like the military. Bro, the military.
Shoot them!
We're the military. Die! Oh, I'm not good at aiming. Oh gosh, yeah, I'm not that good. I ran out of ammo.
Hold on.
Guys, let's go back to the spawn and get more weapons. Oh
Yeah.
gosh! Get back up! Guys, guys!
Okay, I'm
Bro,
gonna
how
drop
did
you guys
you
off
make
here.
this, bro?
Wait,
This is
wait,
the
stop,
ultimate
stop. Oh, let's
build.
go. Pull.
Don't
I don't
own
have goo, but
No,
No. Can he buy us some goo?
I don't own goo.
No, it's floating away. Oh.
yo, polar bear. I buy
Hold
you
up. Buy
this.
us some
Yo,
goo?
polar bear.
I said no.
Bro. Can you get me a revolver?
Here you go.
Wait, where did
There's
the
already
plane?
one.
Okay,
No,
it's
I
right
need
here.
a revolver.
Wait, where's the
I wanna build a spamming weapon. I wanna build a spamming weapon.
Bro, you can just you don't.
Can you give me
Come on, put that on. Can you have that? Oh gosh, he can burn his enemies.
wait,
Bro,
come.
Get on.
Bro, can you buy me the pistol real quick?
Bro, there's a pistol right here.
Okay, I'll buy you the
It's
pistol.
like two. I need two.
No, you
Okay.
can't hold two.
Polar bear. Oh, I can't buy. No, I need more money, guys. I can't buy the shotguns anymore.
Oh.
I need. Gosh,
hop on.
Oh my gosh, guys, I ran out of money.
It's okay. The chicken has some. Yo, chill. Wait.
Also, can
Stop.
y'all like put
No.
your bro? I
Yeah, I
can't.
ran out of money. I don't...
Also, it glitches out.
But
when
let
I
him
touch
get
it,
on
so
there.
Okay, we're here. We made it to lake. You guys can get back on now. Oh my god, it's gonna kill us. Oh no! Fly! Ah! It can jump! So that was the video, guys. Hope you like it. Of course, thank you. And I haven't posted for a while. I'll try and post more often. It's kind of hard to post. Get a good setting and stuff, but I hope to do it more often. I hope you guys enjoy it. And,
Yo,
like, subscribe, psych, and love subscribe, and